RoboK is a computer vision startup focuses on working with existing cameras in industrial workplaces, ensuring workplace safety and operational efficiency. Our project Intermodal is about utilizing portable camera solutions to be installed at the construction site for Gcre, bringing security, safety, and efficiency benefits, turning video data into intelligent insight for the operators and the operational team on site. The benefit of working with two major stakeholders in this project is to ensure that the solution we're building meets real business needs and creates real business value. The first phase feasibility study was instrumental in designing and validating the second phase trial. And we're here today at the Gcre Phase 2 launch event, and we can't be more excited to get started. This year, the RoboK team will be working closely with Transport for Wales and Gcre to make this project a reality. We'll be making site visits, implementing the camera solutions on site. We will work on improving the accuracy, reliability, and the relevance of the information and insights we provide, as well as improving the user-friendliness of our platform. We will be customizing the solution to fit with the unique needs of Transport for Wales and Gcre in terms of railway construction. As a company working on monitoring critical infrastructure and industrial workplaces, working with Innovate UK on government-funded project has been an unparalleled opportunity in terms of access to infrastructure as well as subject matter expertise.